How to draw a Pokemon ball, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing the Pokemon ball, we're going to begin by drawing a big circle in the center of the page. This will be the outline of the ball. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We regularly upload step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Next, on the inside of the circle that we just drew, we're going to draw an even smaller circle. This will be the center of our Pokemon ball. And please keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. All done? If so, let's continue. The next step will be to draw another line around the outside of the one that we just made together. This line will be a little bit thinner than the one that we previously made. Next, above and below the shape that we just drew together, we're going to draw an upside down curved line above and a curved line right below. Now last but not least, we're going to use long curved lines to connect the points of the lines that we just drew together to the outside circle that is larger. This is how to draw a Pokemon ball. Next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.